Hey yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy T-Brat. Got the mic, jeez. Today we're gonna do something new. We're gonna be installing a new wheel to the Z. It's basically the same wheel, but just carbon fiber, so it's just gonna feel better, honestly. So I'm kind of pumped. But yeah, all right, boys. We got some bad news, though. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we got the Z yesterday, right? As you guys know, video picking up the Z. Go watch it right now. But yesterday I was just chilling, right? About to leave the Z. Look, it's unlocked. That's locked. Unlocked. Something fell when I was opening the door. Now we ain't got no doors. But my boys, look at this. Peep this. Oh, we got to do a little mold restoration video. Nah, I might just remove it myself, just clean up. But yeah, we're gonna be removing the wheel. I'm gonna show you guys step by step. I'm gonna try to do this. Kind of explain it. All right, my boys. I don't know why, but the last clip, like the GoPro just turned off. First time it ever happened. Bro, it's raining now, bro. Yo, Germany's so weird, bro. It wasn't raining a second ago, and now it's raining. So first off, we're gonna pop this little thing off. Boop. Oh, shit. My boys, I don't know where the rest are, but it's a 30 if y'all were wondering. If y'all need it. So it's a 30, and that little thing. Let me go disconnect the battery real quick. All right, my boys. Disconnect the battery. It's a 10 millimeter, and yep. Yeah, gotta know that, right? All right, my boys, so you gotta remove this one, and there should be another one on the other side. You move that joint. You gotta be very, very careful. We're gonna end up breaking it. I already know, man. That's just how car shit works. I'm gonna be the one breaking it. It's gonna go perfect for y'all, though. I believe in y'all. So yeah, this jump. Apparently, you gotta be very careful. So we're gonna try to be very, very careful with it. Let me put an extension on that jump. All right, we're gonna be very, very careful because apparently you can bend it. Oh shit. Okay. Apparently, there's a little pin inside, which is like in between here. No pin, and then apparently you can bend it. So I'm trying not to bend it. I recommend you guys do the same. Sheesh, first one off. It's time for the second one. All right, my boys, second one is off. Kind of did pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The guy on the video said you could bend them, but I don't know, maybe I'm just too good with it. All right, so now, with that being said, you could pop this joint off. Which I'm gonna be very careful, because I don't want that shit to pop in my face. I disconnected the battery, but I don't know. Holy shit, dude. This thing is scary. We can die. You might have to watch another video. I did not get this far. Okay. Oh shit, almost broke it off. Okay, I see it. There's side pins on the side that you get off. Okay, you kind of fish it up the side and it comes off like that. Okay, boom. Now we got the airbag off. Colored, like me. So the wheel that I'm using, I'm personally using a stock wheel, but it's just a carbon wheel. So it should be easier just to install it. It's not going to be like a quick release or anything. It should just go, should be plug and play straight to this. But I think either way, you should try to have your wheel straight up just to make it easier to install the new one, whatever you have. We're going to take these two off and then just get some wires out of the way. And then we should be good. Just unplug this. I'm going to be honest, I got a little nervous there, but it should be a 30 also. The same thing that you got the sides one off, the sides off with. Oh, yeah. All right, both of them are off. Oh, hold on. Boom. That's what it looks like. I don't know if y'all... I just noticed there's springs right here. Just catch them. This is kind of for my future reference because I'm like, where do these springs go later on? And I'll see you after I unplug that little plug. It's just a little piece right there. You just got to put a flathead and or maybe some... I think there's a tool for that, honestly, but I don't have it. So just a flathead. This one right here to be specific. Actually came off pretty cool. They're pretty good. I got a question for y'all. Do y'all put your car in first or what? I know a lot of people, they don't even put their car in first when they park. So this big ass nut is a 19. The thing about Z's is that you'll probably be using a 19 a lot. I know 14 definitely, 12, and I don't know about 16 too much, but I know 19 is on a lot of things. I think the transmission is actually a 19 years old. She half inch, nigga, like my cock. My boys, holy shit. Let me see if I can do it one hand. I can't. All right, boys, let me put y'all up. Let me put y'all up real quick. Hold up. Try to hold it with my legs. God damn. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Holy shit. I don't know what the torque spec is, but we're going to be tightening that bitch down a lot today. Boom. That shit was pretty tight, though. I'm not going to lie. Show y'all what that bolt looks like. Oh, shit. I thought I dropped it somewhere else. All right, boys. Boom. Oh, shit. There's a washer on it. Oh, the washer stays. Okay. I thought it was gonna fall off. I was like, goddamn. Oh shit, okay, just yank it, okay. I honestly didn't think you had to yank it, but I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just guess and see if I can yank it. The wheel's pretty light, I'm not gonna lie. I just got the carbon wheel because I honestly just wanted a better wheel for the Z. It's about time to get a new wheel. Boys, this is what the wheel looks like right here. I mean, there's nothing really major to really look at. Still hub right here. Probably put your quick release on it. But yeah, the Z looks kind of weird without the wheel, but honestly looks like a lot of room. I might get a quick release. I spent like 600 on this wheel I got, and honestly, I could have just got a quick release for the same price. There's some very cool quick releases out there, but honestly, I just wanted the classic feel. And in Germany, it's kind of like I can't get my car inspected if I don't have an airbag, and I just don't feel like installing and uninstalling whenever I need an inspection. I mean, it's only like every 2 years, but still, I just didn't really want to deal with that, so I just got a stock carbon wheel just to see what's up with it. So I might be selling this, so hit me up if y'all want it. So before we go inside with the wheel, we're gonna bring probably a flathead, a normal screwdriver, just in case. You never know what they be hiding in that motherfucker. Probably some of the Star Jones. Oh shit. Oh yeah, they got some normal screwdriver stuff right there. So probably a tiny screwdriver, maybe a big screwdriver.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, ice, baby.
Sheesh, nigga. Got the wheel off. What? All right, my boys, welcome back. Welcome back to Mikasa, aka Shawty's crib, nigga. Y'all ready for the wheel? I'm pumped. I'm so pumped to show y'all. This is my favorite. Honestly, a big upgrade, honestly. I haven't really upgraded anything in the Z in a while, and I think the wheel is magnificent. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me unpack it real quick. Let me do some unpacking, because we're gonna do a wheel review. Sheesh, bro. It's honestly insane. But yeah, look at this thing. This is gonna be magnificent, bro. Has like fucking indents there. Oh my God. Old wheel or new wheel? Old wheel. It's a little bit bigger, I think. Looks massive. Oh shit. Now they're the same size. So let's get everything installed, and let me show y'all the process of switching everything over if y'all ever wanna just go with a carbon wheel instead. I think this also fits on the 370 also, I think. I'm not too sure, but it's a big difference. Look at those things. Feet check, what? All right, my boys, welcome to me bathroom, aka Shawty's bathroom. Seeing if it fits right, all right. Now, just gonna put this wheel to the side for now. Actually, we'll keep it right there so y'all can look at it, because it's so fucking beautiful. Like, the old wheel's so ugly. Honestly, let's try to take that metal thing out first. So as you can see, oh shit. As you see, there's some screws right there. Oh my God. Stay. There's screws there and there. Honestly, I might get lost with the steps though, I'm not gonna lie. It's got a magnet? Oh, I don't got a magnet. Bro, screwdrivers with magnets on it, bro. Best thing they could ever invent. See, like, come on, bro. If I had a magnet, it would have been easier. Boom, that's off. All right. Take this. So that's the 3 screws for this. Or just one. Two for that on the sides. And we have these 2 right here, which probably takes this plastic piece off. I don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't think I ever sell this. I'm going to be honest. I think the Z is going to stay with me forever. I think. Look how dirty it looks. But I think that's about it. That's all you got to do. Old wheel. If y'all want to buy it, hit me up if y'all need it. You probably find it from a Reg Z. Basically, a little summary for when the wheel was outside. So the old wheel, right? You get in the old wheel, right? Honestly, we're going to treat this one like the old wheel, okay? So the old wheel, you have this. You have the little shell right here. When you took out the airbag, everything like that. Basically, you take this thing off. This thing should unclip from the little metal thing in the back. And there should be one screw right there. You take that joint off, and then you go into the back. You have this screw and this screw. The plastic piece should come off. You have another screw right there, another screw right there, and it takes these things off. And basically, you just reverse, install it. You put this on, the plastic pieces on. Doesn't look like it's seating. Pretty good, but looks decent. You put these plastic pieces on. There's one screw. You screw the bottom one, and then you put this piece on, and you screw the 2 tops. And then you screw in that little bolt that's underneath this, and then you put this in. Basically, we're here now. So when we install the wheel, we're gonna put it back in, screw in this little bolt, and then tighten it probably as tight as we can do it. There's probably a torque spec, but it's up to you if you want to torque it down. I mean, it's your wheel. You should probably torque it down, but for me, I'm just gonna torque it down as hard as I can, because I don't think it really matters if you can't turn, if you torque it down too much. So you put that there, and then you should just have these two bolts right there, and then the airbag, you plug that joint back in, put the airbag back in, and then you should just have the two little screws in the side. And honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, I think that's it. So let's get to the car. Let me show you guys how to install it. It's gonna be a little bit dark, so not too dark, but it's gonna be a little bit darker outside than earlier. So let's hope y'all can see everything. We got a flashlight and everything, so everything's good. So I'll see y'all outside in the car. Smash that like button, subscribe. And we're also probably gonna have a POV. I'm not too sure. This video, if not next video, of course, a little POV with the wheel and the shift boot. So stay tuned for that. All right, my boys. We in the Z with it. It's a little bit dark, but we're gonna try to make this work with the flashlight. So I'm gonna try to explain this bit. Oh shit. I'm not even gonna lie, I tried to grab onto the wheel. Now let's get her plugged in, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, the GoPro was off the whole time. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know how long it's been off for, but so basically we just tightened on the bolt. We figured out it's kind of weird because you got to do it a certain way. So got to make sure the steering wheel is all the way on, or the bolt's going to move and it's going to get unbalanced. There's also underneath the bolt, there's a little line that shows you kind of like the flat on. So this is kind of the steering wheel when it's up, and there should be another line that matches with it. I'm not too sure how far behind it was, but yeah, so we're just going to get these. These should be springs that go underneath, I believe underneath this. I can take this off real quick. It goes on here like this. So these springs go like that. Gonna install them when it's on, I guess. Boom. Boom right there. Hopefully it holds. Cause I ain't got, there we go. Try to get this one in. Try to just compress this one. Oh shit, hold on. Okay, hold on. Boom, the springs are in. Now we got these bolts. Is these ones right here. Guess you can call them the horn bolts. I don't know what you want to call them. Boom. Boom. Not too tight, you know, I don't want to. All right, boom. All right. Now what's left is what's this? Oh, this scared me. Oh, no way. I fucked up. I might have fucked up. Hold on. Dude, I just seen these, and this is to the airbag, bro. Damn. No way. That sucks. Well, I'll see y'all in a couple minutes. All right, my boy. It's my first time using this thing. I ain't even gonna lie. I still got the fucking tags on it. I think I got this thing for like $30. Something cheap. But it's pretty cool because if you're working underneath your car in a parking lot or something like I do a lot, it's pretty cool to have the extension because you can extend it anytime you want. So let me... Okay. Now, I'm gonna do that. You pull it. Damn. Alright, it doesn't really get that big. But fucking yank that bitch now. Fucking God. Fuck. I think that should be good enough. I think. You do a little bit more. Do it with two hands. The way I jack off. No, I'm kidding. God damn, hold on. Come on, get on that bitch. Oh my God, okay. Yeah. This thing is torqued down 1,000 pounds, nigga. It is officially time. Just felt something move. Doesn't look too bad. It's centered kind of right here. So we're gonna be driving probably like this, which is kind of ugly. Look at this thing. Golly. Can you buy a carbon fiber airbag? That'd be kind of insane. Just overkill. It's like, am I dumb? Boom. All right, now that's in. Now, basically, I think you just push it in. You still got your horn. Oh, that thing looks mean. Tighten it down so it's sitting right. And probably just let it sit freely until I'm happy with what I got. You know? Because maybe I want to readjust it. Maybe I just totally messed up. Now we tighten these bad boys. and your install is basically done. So yeah, boys, we're gonna be installing a lot of new parts to the Z nowadays, so stay tuned for that. Honestly, I hope y'all enjoy. We're gonna be showing y'all some little clips of it. But let me know how y'all like the mic settings, and yeah, let me stop yapping. I'm yapping and shit. Know what I mean? Yeah, let's watch a video. Yo, hold up. Oh, nah, okay, I'm sorry. That's on God, nigga.
You gotta pee so bad.